Hi everybody and welcome to Akshatas recipes. Well, today I'm going to be showing you a different kind of palak or spinach dish. You know, some people love to eat palak, but they don't like palak paneer, or they don't like the normal palak bhaji which we make, with onions and just a plain boiled vegetable. So today I'm going to be showing you a palak vegetable with a little bit of a twist. It has a nice tadka with some dried red chilies and some sliced up garlic. That gives the dish, it really elevates the dish to another level. It's nice and spicy and delicious, and it goes very well with some roti or puri or chapati or even some steamed rice. So I hope you like this palak recipe. I hope you try it out. Please do go and check out all my other recipes. Right now I'm already on 200 recipes. It has all kind of recipes, and you can check out the playlist too, which has breakfast items, sweet items, traditional dishes. So please go and check out my channel and all the playlists too. And for those of you who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you will get a notification that a new video has come up on Akshatas recipes. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and make this amazing spinach with a garlic twist. Now for our recipe, we're going to heat about half a tablespoon of oil. To this I've added some ginger garlic paste, which is just about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger. Now I'm going to add half an onion, I'm going to fry this very well. And now I'm going to add some crushed up kasuri methi. Fry this very well. The aroma of ginger, garlic, onion and kasuri methi is just phenomenal. Now I'm going to add my palak puree. Now how I prepared this palak puree is I first soaked my palak leaves or spinach leaves in some salt water, and you'll be amazed at the amount of grime that you get. A lot of mud settles down, so you have to wash your palak leaves thoroughly. So soak them in some salt water and then give them a thorough rinse, and then I just put it into a pressure pan for 1 whistle and put the gas flame off, and once it cooled down I just put it into my mixer pot and ground it to a puree. Now I came off with this dish. Okay, now I'm adding some salt because my husband Abhijit doesn't like paneer or cottage cheese, whereas my kids love it. So instead of preparing 2 separate dishes all the time, what I did is I just make this dish and I take out how much ever quantity of this mixture that I require. That is, at this stage I'm adding some red chili powder. I take out a little bit of this mixture, then to the remaining I add my paneer pieces. So my kids' palak paneer is ready, and then to this puree I will add the amazing tadka or the bagar that you will see shortly. So this is an ideal dish for those people who don't like palak paneer or don't like paneer in their palak. Now comes the most interesting part, which is the fodni or the tadka. So I have a little bit of oil heating up. I've sliced about 10 cloves of garlic extremely fine, and I've taken about 6 red dried chilies and just cut them up into these bit-sized pieces. Now once your oil is nice and hot, you're going to add your garlic to it. Now you can be a little more generous with the oil, but being a little bit health conscious, I cut down on the oil. Actually, you got to put a little more of the oil. And we are going to fry this garlic till it's crispy and brown. And also add the red chili, so you can fry both of them together. And always do this tadka, just like about 5 minutes before you're going to serve the dish, because this just goes over the puree, the palak mixture. Now I got this inspiration from the ambadi bhaji recipe. If you have seen my video on ambadi bhaji, it just elevates a plain leafy vegetable dish into something so amazing, especially for those of you who love spicy food. This is really amazing. It goes so well with some roti or some puri or some chapatis or some rice. So we had this yesterday for dinner. My kids had the palak paneer and my husband and myself had this with the tadka. So you got to fry it really well till the garlic is crispy. It turns a little brown and crispy, and the chilies are also a little bit crispy. They have to have that crunch element. So give it a good fry. And now all that is left to do is, when you're going to just serve your palak, you have to just pour this generously on top. So you can see now everything is really fried very, very well. And here is the palak puree that is ready. That is the same mixture that I made for the palak paneer, except the paneer in it. And now I'm just pouring the tadka on top, just a few minutes before I'm going to be serving it. And that's it, friends. Your spinach with a garlic twist is all ready. Doesn't it look amazing? It tastes amazing too. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. See you in another video, guys. Take care. Bye. Well friends, don't forget to give this video a big like by clicking on the thumbs up button if you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and join the Akshatas recipe family by clicking the red subscribe button. Once you have subscribed, do click on the bell icon, so every time I upload a new recipe or a vlog, you will get a notification and you can watch the video. Do visit Akshatas recipes for more than 200 recipes and lots of vlogs, where I share my recipes and some of my vlogs and videos with all of you. And I would love to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart for taking the time out to watch my recipes. Thank you guys. Take care. God bless.